Hey everybody, I just said I'd just do a very quick video as a request from one of the students. The student has asked if I could do a reveal or unboxing of something, so I wasn't really too sure of what that could be. The most relevant thing that I can think of is, so this just got delivered a few days ago, so I've opened the main box, but I haven't opened what's inside, which is a body razor. Okay, so yes, I'm thinking about cutting my hair. So these are the combs that come with the razor, or don't come with the razor, actually they're separate. Okay, so I'm going to show you what's inside the box, and these are kind of pretty self-explanatory. You can see right through. These are just the combs that fit onto the side of the clippers. So yes, I said I would consider cutting my own hair. I don't know if that is the right or wrong thing to do. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, so not really much in the box. So all there is there's the actual razor. This razor is on a cord. You can see, hopefully enough it is a 3-foot plug. And this is the razor itself. So it's actually quite heavy. Okay, and there were actually some clips, some combs in here as well. There is a brush, I don't know what this is for. As you read the instructions. And then I guess this is some oil to oil the razor. Push it out. Oh, and there's a comb as well. That's pretty much it. And that's all that's in the box, and the instructions as well. So I'm going to have a read of those instructions. So at the moment, as you can see, there's quite a lot of length on my hair, and I'm not really going to cut too much off the top because I'll probably need scissors for that, so I might give that a little bit of a trim, but I'll be doing my sides just to tidy it up. So the next time you see me in my next video, I'll probably have some kind of neater back and sides. Okay, so that's it. So that was for a particular student. You know who you are, and I hope you enjoyed this very short video.